So there are a number of factors to consider when choosing the tile for your roof. Obviously the aesthetic, you want it to look how you want it to look. There's the pitch of the roof, certain tiles only work at certain pitches. There's the local planning requirements, what tile is needed to be in keeping with your area, and also obviously the cost. And it's really a matter of balancing those four things out when choosing your tile. So for example, you might be in a planning area which demands a heritage tile, a plain tile appearance, which would bring in this non-interlocking natural clay product, very high-end, high aesthetic, but also a higher cost. You may then look at, as an alternative, a concrete version of the same thing. So a concrete plain tile will bring the cost down and make it a little bit easier to work with. But it's still a high craft product. A lot of cost goes into working with a concrete plain tile. So why not choose an interlocking duo plain tile, which gives the appearance of a plain tile, but it's actually a single lap interlocking tile, which is much easier to work with and easy to get your head around the installation. In a similar way, you might switch from a 49 tile, very popular in the southeast of England, to a Renown, which gives you the same aesthetic but a larger format, so you save money with fewer tiles on your roof. You may be in a situation where you need to consider the pitch of your roof. So let's say, for example, on your main roof, you've got, say at 30 degrees, a double Roman tile. And then on your extension, it goes down to 12.5. Well, all of a sudden you can't use the double Roman, but you want them to match. So an option would be to switch to a Regent tile, which is a very similar aesthetic. It's a bolder roll, but it'll go down to 12.5 degrees, allowing you to have a very similar look on your extension, low pitch, to your main roof at a higher pitch. And finally, if you're looking at a concrete slate for your roof, you have a number of options. You have a standard, what we call a mini stone wall concrete slate, but you can also pay a premium and have a thin leading edge on your tile to give it that much more slick, slate-like appearance on the roof. You can also have painted, mock bond, all kinds of effects on these tiles to give them more of a slate-like appearance. To find out more about your roof tiles, go to redland.co.uk, where we have all the technical details and colour information, including pitch details for your roof.